Thomas Holliday's You Got That Right video blog. October notes. State of the Birds Report 2013 from the Thomas Holliday studio in Boston. From the looks of it, this report written by the Departments of Agriculture and Interior is provided to get more funding for programs on private lands to help wild birds and probably other conservation causes. As such, it's a good start. It shows how much has been accomplished by getting private owners to supplement the money spent by government on public lands for wildlife. Some facts. The United States covers about 1.43 billion acres, of which 60% is owned privately. 50% or more of bird species breed on the private lands. We can assume that drinking water preservation is on these lands too. Forest takes up 468 million acres, of which 50% are private. Arid lands, another 369 million acres, of which 39% are private. 358 million acres are grassland, of which 85% are private. These are farms. Wetlands take up 110 million acres, and most are ruined, and so forth. It is obvious that if we are to save our habitats, we have to have the private owners contribute, or better yet, we have to have programs to help them contribute. The concept of more assistance to private owners rides on the quoted statement of Leopold in his book, The Farmer as Conservationist. When land does well for its owners, and the owner does well by his land, when both end up better by reason of their partnership, we have conservation. The 1985 Farm Bill, which is under extreme controversy today because of cost cutting and the great cost of the food aid programs which are attached to it, is examined in the habitat effort. Quite frankly, though, the programs do as much as the national parks. The analysis is excellent. In working with bird facts, the report gives insight into the wildlife programs, which makes it very useful. Data was taken from the extensive Cornell study of birds in their eBird database. This data was imposed on the National Ground Cover dataset and the Protected Area database. By this procedure, the amount of private land and its owners can be determined with regard to species, and the need for support can be analyzed. Holiday novel China Jewel soon. Check for a contest at Facebook fan page, River Sunday Romance Mysteries. You got that right.